Welcome to the Australian National Botanic Gardens and the Flower, Fruit and Foliage Walk of the 3rd of November 2021.
Wallamia nobilis, or Wallamai pine, previously thought extinct, was discovered in 1994 growing in the Wallamai National Park northwest of Sydney. Each plant has both male, brown tassels, and female, green circular reproductive cones. Fewer than 100 Wallamai pines remain in the wild, and every plant has the same DNA.
Dracophyllum oceanicum has red stems, curved stiff foliage, and white terminal flower clusters. This plant is native to a restricted area around Jervis Bay, New South Wales.
Tilapia Essie's gift has long green leaves and spectacular dark pink flowers. Essie's gift is a new selection and is named in honour of the late Essie Huxley, who was devoted to the genus Tilapia.
Devesia arborea, also known as golden pea tree or bitterleaf pea, is a small tree with drooping green, shiny foliage and masses of yellow pea flowers. This plant is native to the northeastern New South Wales and southeastern Queensland.
Xieria granulata, commonly known as the Illawarra xieria, is endemic to the Illawarra region of New South Wales and is listed as endangered in the wild. This medium-sized bush has clusters of white flowers and narrow, glossy green leaves with a rough surface that is aromatic when crushed.
Boronia repandra, or granite rose, repand boronia, or border boronia, is a small plant with green aromatic foliage with prominent oil dots and mauve-pink flowers. This plant is endangered in the wild and endemic to an area near the eastern border between New South Wales and Queensland.
Hibbertia stellaris, or orange stars, has masses of orange star flowers on wiry foliage. This brilliantly flowering ground cover from southern Western Australia grows naturally in swamps.
Hibbertia vestita, also known as hairy guinea flower, has gold flowers on a creeping bush. Guinea flower refers to the shape and color of the flower being like a golden guinea coin. This plant is native to coastal Queensland and New South Wales from Rockhampton to central New South Wales.
Anaxanthus bush blitz, with dark orange flowers with burgundy highlights in late spring and summer, was bred by Angus Stewart. It flowers a little later than other bush gems, but has an outstanding, long-lasting display.
Pultonea pedunculata, burnt orange, is a cascading plant with green foliage and orange and yellow pea flowers. This plant species occurs from Sydney south around the coast to South Australia, including Tasmania.
Eremophila nivea is a small shrub with mauve tubular flowers and striking silver-grey foliage covered in hairs. This plant is native to the southern west coast of Western Australia.
Actinodium cunninghamii has stem-clasting green foliage and pink daisy flowers with darker pink centers. The centers are fertile while the lighter flowers around the circumference are sterile. This species is native to southwestern Western Australia and is named after the botanist Alan Cunningham.
Corazima caudatum crossvarium, or heart-leaved flame pea, is a showing weeping shrub with vivid orange-pink flowers and bright green prickly foliage. This plant grows naturally in moist southwestern parts of Western Australia.
Thessaloskaya rubifolia is a large shrub with serrated green leaves and fluffy cattails of pink and cream. This plant is a rainforest species with a restricted distribution in northeastern New South Wales. The common name is mountain marara or Dorrigo southern marara.
Olearia argophylla, or native musk, is a tall shrub or small tree with felted grey leaves and many heads of white, strongly scented daisy flowers with gold centres. This plant is native to the east coast of New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania.
Okay. Now,
Good.
yeah, well, let's see.